everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at action verb, a thorough guide. So, let's get started. What is an action verb? What is an action verb? An action verb is a type of verb that shows the physical or mental action performed by the subject of a sentence. The best tip to identify an action verb is to make sure the movement of either the body or mind. Action verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Action verbs are contrasted and compared with stative or state verbs. Continue to watch to learn action verb definition and types and comparison with different other types of verb along with easy example sentences.